What it do, world? It's your boy DJ Tez back with another one, and today we got homemade hamburger helper. I'm about to whip something up, put it together. Y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna taste it through the camera, just like that. But before I get to showing you the ingredients and all that, I'm gonna need everybody to stop what you're doing. Smash that subscribe button, man. I've been grinding my tail off, man. Comment below what I'm doing wrong, man. Tell your boy what y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? Like straight up, man, because I'm doing some fire stuff, man. And it's just like, it ain't getting out there. I guess it's my SEOs or whatever, man. But if y'all can help me out, man, comment below, man. Get your boy right. All right? Other than that, stay tuned.
Catch me outside with a cash app, stacking more cash in the cash app. Racing to the money to the last snap. Your money looking funny, I ain't laugh chat. Straight up action, no assist, no pass. Taking all of the shots like Jordan, not Paxson. Hungry for the bread like a nigga that's fasting. Take a ride with me, seatbelt fasten, kick back, relaxing, moon rock passing, foul on the play, 2 shots on the deuce.
Alright, just put all the ingredients together, got the meat done. Waiting on the noodles to get done, man. So y'all gonna see me whipping in the kitchen, man. Straight up. In the world, what y'all eating for lunch? Comment below what you eating for lunch today. And I hope y'all still ain't on that whole Will Smith, Chris Rock kick, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, that shit's crazy, man. Like I said, you can look at it from both ways, man. He had to stand up for his wife. He really did. But at the same time, man, you on the biggest platform of your life. You didn't get a Oscar for all the movie things you did all your life, man. The characters you played, you didn't get no damn Oscar then. But then when you get an Oscar, nigga, you get up there and make us look exactly how they say we are. Come on, bro. You been biting your motherfucking tongue all this time? Man, bite your tongue a little more. Then, like I said in the video that I made about Will's first Oscar, man, you just gotta honestly take that man to the side after the show and let him know what's up. And just like the rest of these celebrities, y'all could have did a boxing match or something. But bro, Will, never let nobody get you out of character again. I don't care who it is. But anyway, man, I'm back to this hamburger helper from the hood, you know what I'm saying? This hood hamburger helper, man, you know what I'm saying? Homemade everything. Except for the noodles. I bought those from Kroger. Yeah. Anywho, y'all be cool. Hold it down. So check this out. You combine all them ingredients I just showed you. And this is what you get. Man, I wish y'all could smell that. Hey, it don't take nothing to whip something up. Wait till the old lady get here. Y'all gonna see her face when she try this shit. She gonna say, oh my God, that is really good.
Good.
It's good? Yeah. That's how it made me feel, y'all. That's her texting right now. Look how I spoke her up. You batting my eye. Hey, baby. Let me get to her, y'all, man, and I'm gonna hit y'all back, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alright. Yeah, y'all see I got my toboggan on. I just took my dog out for a walk. You know what I'm saying? Came back. Now I'm eating. Y'all have no idea. Y'all want some? So good. So amazing. So honestly, y'all make sure if y'all use that recipe, y'all let folks know where you got it from. Cause it's banging, you hear me? You ain't gotta go buy no more hamburger helper. Hit it with your own. That pick it. Hit it with your own mix, man. All that box dinner and all that stuff ain't good for you, man. For real. You heard it here first. Shit. I'm over here smashing my face off, B. On a basketball tip, I see LeBron James and them might not. Fuck that. They not going to the playoffs. But what y'all don't know is, sometimes that's the plan. He got to get Bronny right. He got to get Bronny right. And Bryce. Which Bryce cold. Don't get me wrong, Bronny got some game, but that Bryce gonna be another KD. Y'all watch what I say. Oh yeah. Y'all gonna make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Straight up. Hit that sub button, man. For real, for real. I just set that up before y'all came, you know what I'm saying? You know how they be doing the MTV crib? I just did that before y'all came. But yeah, man, I'm about to finish my bowl, man. Y'all hold it down, man. Be cool.